Hi, my beauties. My name is Jan Benham from Purèz Cosmetics, and I'm showing you how to refill your pot, your mineral foundation pot, once it is empty. So, first of all, I would suggest that you fold over a paper before you start and then place your pot on top of the paper. Now, this is a pot that I've just finished, and I use a sharp knife just to pare open the top until it's easy to flip off. And then you just rip open your refill bag and fill. Now, if you do happen to spill any over the side, this is where your folded paper comes in handy because you can just scoop up the rest of whatever you spilt and pour into your pot. No waste. Once your pot is fully filled, you then just put back on the cap and you're ready to go. And just a couple of taps on the back, you're ready to reapply your foundation.